Ever wonder how furniture retailers help shoppers find the perfect sofa without making them browse through hundreds of products? In this tutorial, we'll show you how retailers like Raymore and Flanagan use a sofa recommendation quiz to understand shoppers' preferences and recommend the best sofa based on their needs. Here's how it works. This is the Discover Your Perfect Sofa quiz. It asks shoppers a series of simple but thoughtful questions about their living space, personal style, budget, and furniture preferences. For example, what type of sofa are you considering? Are you interested in reclining or stationary sofa? How many people do you need to seat? And other questions based on your answers, it will recommend the best matches for you. Now let me show you how you can build the same experience using Outgrow. Start by choosing a quiz template inside Outgrow. Once you're inside the editor, head straight to the Build tab. This is where you customize every question to match your furniture store, home decor brand, interior design business, or online furniture marketplace. Using Outgrow, you can ask questions like, what's your primary reason for buying a new sofa? What's your living room layout? How would you define your personal style? What's your ideal sofa size? Which sofa feature is most important to you? Want to tailor the experience for apartment owners, growing families, luxury furniture buyers, or first-time homeowners? Simply click on any question and edit it instantly. Next, head over to the Outcome screen. This is where the magic happens. This is where shoppers receive their personalized sofa recommendation. For example, upon the classic Chesterfield, the modular sectional, the mid-century modern sofa, the cozy cottage. Sofa now, simply click on each question and map every answer option to the appropriate outcome. Repeat the same process for every question until each answer contributes to the most relevant sofa recommendation. To make everything feel fully on brand, head over to the Overall Design tab. Here you can customize your logo, brand colors, and fonts, so the quiz matches your website perfectly. You can also add a lead generation form to collect shoppers' names and email addresses before displaying their personalized sofa recommendation. Once everything looks perfect, click Go Live. You can publish the quiz using a direct link or embed it directly on your website. And that's how you turn a simple sofa finder quiz into a personalized shopping experience using Outgrow. Ready to build your own sofa recommendation quiz? Start creating interactive quizzes that help shoppers discover the perfect sofa while generating high-quality leads for your furniture business.